Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Colors. In this video, we have 10 multiple choice questions with answers for all competitive exams. Before start the video, I will tell you the answer of the question asked in the previous video. So the question was find the correctly spelled word and the answer is option B OCCASION. Now let's start the quiz. Question number 1. What will be the compound interest on 10,000 at a rate of 10% per annum for 2 years compounded annually? Options are 2,000, 2,100, 2,210, 2,400. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B 2100. Please check the explanation part for more details. Question number 2. If 5x equal to 25, what is the value of x? Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C 5. Please check the explanation part for more details. Question number 3. Which of the following is a synonym for prolific? Options are fruitful, sparse, idle, negligible. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A fruitful. Question number 4. Choose the correct sentence. He don't like to play football. He does not like to play football. He does not like to play football. He don't likes to play football. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C. He does not like to play football. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors. Question number 5. In a code language, if apple is coded as CQPLF, how will orange be coded? Options are QTBOIF, QTBHGF, OQANHF, QTAOIF. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A QTBOIF. Hey viewers, here is a question for you. So the question is, which Indian state launched the mission Bhagiratha project? Options are Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Please write your answer in the comment box now. I will tell you the answer in the next video. Question number 6. If A is the mother of B and B is the mother of C, how is A related to C? Options are grandmother, mother, aunt, sister. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A grandmother. Question number 7. What comes next in the series 2, 6, 12, 20, 30? Options are 40, 42, 44, 50. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A 42. Question number 8. Which of the following is not an operating system? Options are Windows, Linux, Oracle, macOS. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Oracle. Question number 9. What does NPA stand for in banking terminology? Options are non-performing asset, net performing asset, new performing asset, non-promising asset. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, non-performing asset. Question number 10. Which of the following banks was merged with the State Bank of India in 2017? Options are Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank, Bharatiya Mahila Bank, Kannada Bank. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Class for more exciting quiz videos.